Let's discover the Amazon rainforest. This basin encompasses 7 million square kilometers. The Amazon rainforest, the green lung of Earth. At 6,992 kilometers, the Amazon is one of the longest rivers in the world. Due to the great volume of water, no bridge has ever been built over the Amazon. The entire Amazon basin has up to 1,000 river branches, forming an extremely large river network. This constitutes the largest collection of living plants and animal species in the world. Every living thing here depends on each other. Life is very harsh.